Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect VEED to YouTube for automatic captions. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To connect VEED to YouTube for automatic captions, start by opening your web browser. Visit the VEED website and log into your account. If you don't have an account, create one by signing up. Once logged in, locate your dashboard. Click on the New Project button to start a new video project. Upload your video file by dragging it into the designated area or by clicking the Upload button. After the video uploads, select the Subtitles option from the toolbar on the left. Choose the Auto Subtitle feature to enable automatic caption generation. Select the language spoken in your video from the drop-down menu. Click on the Generate Subtitles button to start the captioning process. Wait for VEED to process the video and create captions. Once completed, review the generated captions for accuracy. Make any necessary edits directly in the subtitle editor. When satisfied with the captions, click on the Export button. In the Export menu, choose the Upload to YouTube option. Connect your YouTube account by following the prompts to authorize VEED. Select the appropriate video on your YouTube channel or choose to create a new one. Customize your video settings as needed before finalizing the upload. Once everything looks good, click the Upload button to send your video with captions to YouTube. After the upload is successful, check your YouTube video to ensure the captions appear correctly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.